This math summary focuses on the multiplication strategy of the area model. And just like when we're calculating area, which is the space in a shape, we're also multiplying the two side measurements, and we use a grid structure to work out our calculations. When we're multiplying by a one-digit number, we have one row, and if it was a two-digit number, we'd have two rows. We've got the number of boxes as the number of digits in our largest number. This is 684. It's a three-digit number, so we have three boxes. And then we break apart using our knowledge of place value 680 and 4 and label the top and put the times 5 on the side because that's what we're multiplying by. Now we work out each individual calculation like this. 5 times 600. Well, 5 sixes are 30, so 5 times 600 is 3,000. Now we put 5 times 80 in the next box. The answer of that is 400 because 5 eighths are 40, so 5 80s are 400. And 5 times 4 is 20. Now we gather up those three calculations and that's our answer, 3,420. 3,420. It's a really simple way to do large calculations. This one is 412 times 4. It's a three-digit number, so there's three boxes. It's times a one-digit number, so there's only one row. And I've broken up 412 into 410 and 2 and multiplying by 4 on the side. And now I can calculate. 4 times 400 is 1,600 or 1,600. 4 times 10 is 40 and 4 times 2 is 8. And now I gather them up and put it back together. That's an important step. We've got 1,648. 1,648 is a large calculation, but using the area model, it becomes quite simple. Now this is a four-digit number. That's why I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. I've broken up based on the place value 1,320 and 1, and I'm multiplying by a one digit, so there's only one row.
If maths always felt this simple, your child's confidence would soar. That's why we built more than 200 core concept lessons just like this one. The link's below. Now let's finish this one together.
So I start calculating. I say 3 times 1,000 is 3,000. 3 times 300 is 900. 3 times 20 is 60, and 3 times 1 is 3, and I put it back together. I say 3,963. And another four-digit multiplication calculation. I've broken up 5,000, 0 in the hundreds, 40 and 5 for 5,045. And that's why I chose this number, to show you that you can have a number with a 0 in it, but you need to keep that place value by putting a box for that so you don't change your number. So we've got 5 times 5,000 is 25,000. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 40 is 200. And 5 times 5 is 25. So I put back 25,225. I still keep a box for that 0 place value. Otherwise, my answer would be totally different. Now, when I've got 2 digit times 2 digit, I get a different looking grid because I need 2 rows for my 2 digits. So 25 times 26, we're going to break both of them apart. 25 becomes 20 and 5. 26 becomes 20 and 6. Now I do 20 times 20 is 400. 20 times 5 is another 100. 6 times 20 is 120. 6 times 5 is 30. Now I'm going to add my rows up. 400 and 100 is 500. 120 plus 30 more is 150. Now I add all of this together and I get an answer of 650. It's a great way for us to calculate large numbers, and we can use the area model for all different digits. If we've got a 3 times 1 digit question, we'll have 3 boxes in one row. If we've got a 4 times 1 digit question, we'll have 4 boxes and 1 row. But if we have 2 times 2 digit, for example, we need 2 rows for the number to be broken up on the side. So that's the multiplication area model that's great for helping us calculate large numbers.